Hello students, a very good morning. I hope that you are all fine and safe. So in the previous video we have started geometry introduction. That is the fourth chapter, geometry introduction we saw. And now we are stepping into exercise number 4.1. So in this exercise, most of the sum we are going to work out in the textbook only. Few sums, that is 7, 8 and 9. We are going to do it in the worked sheet. Okay, that too half sums I'm going to give you as homework. This is going to be a very simple exercise. Let's begin this. The first question of exercise 4.1, Roman letter 1, fill in the blanks. Every triangle has at least dash acute angle. See, this is a triangle. If you see, at least it will have two acute angle. From this side it is an acute angle. From this side this is also an acute angle. So the answer is 2. Okay. The next question. A triangle in which none of the sides equal is called a, yes, you know it, scalene. Scalene triangle. Okay, so none of the side equal means it is called as a scalene triangle. In an isosceles triangle, dash angles are equal. How many angles? If how many angles are equal, it is called as isosceles. Yes, 2 angles. If 2 angles are equal in a triangle, it is called as an isosceles triangle. The sum of 3 angles of a triangle is dash. How much? It should give 180 degree. Okay. A right angle triangle with 2 equal sides is called, yes, isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, so it is a two-sided right angle triangle, means two side equal means it is isosceles. So isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, now question number 2, match the following. So first one, no sides are equal. So we know it is scalene triangle. One right angle, it is a right angled triangle. Simple thing, right? One obtuse angle, so it is obtuse angled triangle. 2 sides of equal length, it is isosceles. All sides are equal, so all sides equal, it is equilateral triangle. So no sides are equal, it is scalene triangle. One right angle means right angled triangle. One obtuse angle, it is obtuse angled triangle. 2 sides of equal length, it is isosceles triangle. All sides are equal, it is equilateral triangle. Next one, in triangle ABC, name the dash. So this is the triangle ABC. 3 sides. So what are the 3 sides given? So this is a side. So AB is a side. Then BC is a side. Then CA, it is a side. This you can write it in 2 ways. Either CA or AC also you can write. 3 angles. So what are the 3 angles? So from here it is an angle ABC. Angle ABC. Next BCA. Angle BCA. Next CAB. Angle CAB. 3 vertices. Vertices is nothing but the area, the place where the triangle starts. So these are the vertices. So how you will write? You can write it as A, B, C. Okay, vertices A, B, C. Okay. So next question. See the next question. Classify the given triangles based on its sides as scalene, isosceles or equilateral. See this here, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. All the three sides are equal. So we know what it is. It is equilateral triangle. Okay, see the next one. 2.5, 3, 3.9. All the three sides different. So it is a scalene. It's a scalene triangle. 3.2, 3.2, 5.1. Two sides equal and one side not equal. It is isosceles triangle. All the three sides not equal. 3 centimeter, 2.2, then 4 centimeter. So it is again a scalene triangle. Is that clear? Next question. Classify the given triangle based on its angle as acute angled, right angled or obtuse angle. So we know it, right? So this is the vertex here. So vertex is 65 degree. So you know it. Below 90 degree means it is acute angle. Okay. See the next one. Exactly 90 degree. Right angle. Okay. See the next one. It is more than 90. That is 125 degree. It is obtuse. Obtuse angle. See the next one. Again it is 60 degree. Less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle. So as I told you, this exercise is going to be very simple. Classify the following triangles based on its sides and angles. So here in this, so in the previous questions, we saw only about the sides and here only about the angles. Here we are going to see both sides as well as the angles. See here, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter. See this one, two sides equal and one side unequal. See the shape of it. It is going this side. It is going this side. So it is below 90 degrees. So it is a isosceles acute angle. I hope you understood this. See, two sides equal and one side unequal. If you see the triangle, it is going in inner ways. This side it is moving. So it is less than 90 degree. So it is isosceles acute angle. See the next one here. It is giving, if this shape is given, it says it is 90 degree. So it is a right angled. All the three sides are unequal. So it is, I am writing it on the top, scalene right angled. Okay. See the next one. It is exceeding 90 degree. It is exceeding 90 degree. So it is a obtuse angle. See here, two sides equal, one side unequal. So it is isosceles, yes, obtuse angled. See the next one. This means you know at 90 degree, two sides equal, one side unequal. So it is isosceles right angled. Okay. See the next question. See the next question. All the three sides are equal. 6.1, 6.1, 6.1. So we know it is equilateral triangle. So what equilateral? It is going innerward. So it is less than 90 degree acute angle. So it is equilateral acute angle. Okay. See this? It is exceeding 90 degree, moving outwards. So it is obtuse angle. All the three sides are different. Okay, unequal. So it is scalene obtuse angle. Okay. Next question. Can a triangle be formed with the following sides? If yes, name the type of triangle. See here, some of the measures, the sides of the triangle is being given here. We are going to check whether a triangle can be formed or not. If a triangle can be formed, we have to mention what type of triangle it is. Okay. So as I told you, I am going to do this sum in the worksheet here. So here totally 6 sums is given. So 3 sums I am going to do, 3 sums I am going to give you as homework. So first, second and sixth sum I will do. Third, fifth and fourth is going to be a homework for you. So in the same way, 7, 8, 9 also we are going to do it in the worksheet, and few sums I am going to give you as homework. As I told you, we are going to just check whether the triangle is going to be formed or not. So what we are going to do is, we are going to select the least number. So what are the two least number? 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter is the least number. So first we are going to add these two units. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. So it is giving 10 centimeter. What is the other side given? 8 centimeter. So this 10 centimeter is greater than the third side. What is the third side? Third side is 8 centimeter. Therefore, triangle can be formed. A simple thing. So you have to just check the least 2 centimeter, the least 2 sides, and you have to add it. And you have to check the addition, the sum of these two numbers should be greater than this. If it is lesser than this, a triangle cannot be formed. If it is greater than this, so the triangle can be formed. So what type of triangle? If you see, all the 3 sides are unequal. So scalene triangle can be formed. We will see the second one. So what are the least? 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So 8 plus 5, it is 13 centimeter, which is 13 centimeter, which is greater than the third side, which is 10 centimeter. That is third side. So what is the conclusion? Yes, triangle can be formed. Okay. So what type of triangle? Again, it is a scalene triangle. Okay. See the next one. The least 2. 4 plus 5. 9 centimeter. Okay. So which is equal to the third side. So what is the conclusion? Triangle cannot be formed. Okay. I hope you understood this one. A very simple one. You just have to sum up the least 2 numbers and check whether the third side is more than that or equal to that. If it is more than that, then the triangle can be formed. If it is equal or less than that, you cannot form the triangle. See the next question. Can a triangle be formed with the following angles? If yes, name the type of triangle. So here they have given with the sides, but here we are going to check with the angles. So here also 1, 2 and 4 I am going to do. 3, 5 and 6 is going to be a homework for you. Okay. So here, so in the fill up also we saw the sum of all the 3 sides of a triangle should be equal to 180 degree. I hope you remember this. The sum of all the 3 sides should be equal to 180 degree. So we have to sum all the 3 angles. So 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree. 60 plus 60 plus 60, it is 180 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, triangle can be formed. Okay. And we have to say what type of triangle. No, see, all the three sides will be equal. So, it is a equilateral, acute, angled triangle. Okay. Next question. 90 degree, 55 degree and 35 degree. So, 90 degree, if it is giving 180, 90 degree means it is a right angle triangle. First we have to check this 55 plus 35. So 55 plus 35 it is 90 degree. Okay, 55 plus 35 it is 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 it is 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 55 degree plus 35 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Triangle can be formed. Okay, so what type of triangle it will be? It will be acute, right angled triangle. Okay. See the next question. 60 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 itself, it is giving 180. So 180 plus 60 means it is 240. So if you add 60, 90 plus 90, it is giving 240 degree, which is more than 180 degree. Therefore, triangle cannot be formed. Okay, we'll go for the next question. So remaining sums, it is a homework. Two angles of the triangle are given. Find the third angle. Okay. So as I told you, here 1, 3 and 6 I am going to do. 2, 4 and 5 is going to be a homework for you. Okay. So here, as you see, two angles are given. So we know that sum of all sides were angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So first we have to add the given two. 80 degree plus 60 degree. 80 plus 60, it is 140 degree. So what is the total sum? 180. So 180 degree minus 40 degree. So for what we are doing this? For finding the third angle. Okay. 180 minus 40. Sorry, 180 minus 140, it is 40 degree. So answer is 40 degree, which is the third angle. Okay. Next question. 52 degree and 68 degree. So we know that degree. So 52 plus 68, it is 120 degree. So what is the answer? Answer is 60 degree. The last question. 55 degree and 85 degree. So we know first we have to add this. 55 degree plus 85 degree is equal to 140 degree. So is equal to minus 140 degree. It is 40 degree. So what is the answer? Okay. So it's, as I told you, it's going to be a very simple question. We'll move to the next question. See the next question. I am a closed figure with each of my three angles is 60 degree. Who am I? So I am a closed figure means like this. Okay, like this. This is a closed figure. Each of my three angles is 60 degree. 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So all the three sides are equal. So what type of triangle it will be? It will be a equilateral triangle. Okay. So next question, 11th question. Using the given information, write the type of triangles in the table given below. See, the angles are given here. We are going to find the type of triangle based on the angle and type of triangle based on the sides. See here, 50 degree, 50 degree, 80 degree. So it is giving 180. 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 80, it is 180. So 180 degree. So two sides equal and one side unequal. So what type of triangle it may be? Two side equal, one side unequal means it is isosceles. Okay, so isosceles triangle. And this will be a closed figure because everything is below 90 degree. So it is a acute angle. Okay, see here, 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. So 90 degree itself, it says it is a right angle. And here, two sides equal, one side unequal. Again, it is a isosceles triangle. See, all the three sides different means scalene. So below 90 degree, it is again acute angle. See here, 75, 35, 70. Below 90 degree, again it is a acute angle. Three sides different. Again scalene. 60, 30, 90. So it is giving 90 degree. It is a right angle, the triangle, and 90 degree. All the three sides different. So it is scalene. So here 25, 64, 91. More than 90 degree, it is obtuse. And all the three different sides, it is scalene. 120, 30, 30. Exceeding 90. So obtuse, again two sides equal. So it is isosceles. And what is the next thing? Objective type question. So you know it very well. So it is a homework. So okay students, with this exercise we are completing. So in the next exercise we are going to use the geometry notebook. You have to be ready with your geometry notebook. So exercise number 4.2 will be doing in the geometry notebook, and exercise number 4.3 will be doing it in the classwork as well as in your textbook. So the next video we will be seeing only exercise 4.3. After that only we will be going to 4.2. Is that clear for everyone? So the next video will be seeing exercise number 4.3. Okay students, so you have to, I hope you all understood exercise number 4.1 clearly. So it is a very simple exercise. Okay, so you have to be very clear with what is the type of angle, how we are differentiating the types of angle based on sides and based on angles. Okay, so this is going to be a very, very simple one. Please try to complete it in your textbook itself, and these sums in your classwork and homework sums in your homework notebook. Okay, so we'll be seeing in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you, students.